When going to publish your book on Kindle Direct Publishing, the biggest mistake you can make is to plop your book up there and just believe that people are going to come and find it. Research says that there's 5,000 books being published every single day. And unless you're intentional about how you approach the publishing process, you may be launching to crickets. So today I'm going to share 2 ways that you can make sure that it's easy for people to be able to locate, find, and purchase your book. Behind the scenes on KDP, one of the things that it asks you to fill out is which category your book falls under. And a mistake that a lot of people make is they just pick some random category that doesn't even relate to their book. I'll be honest, it can be extremely overwhelming to determine which category that your book falls under. There's thousands of categories to choose from. But the good thing is you get 2 different options, and your job is to narrow down which one your book is most likely related to. In order to best and most effectively do this, you really want to put yourself in the mind of your ideal reader. If someone were searching for your book, what category would it be under? Would it be under nonfiction or fiction? Would it be under children's literature or adult literature? Would it be under self-help or some other category, self-improvement, something like that? You really want to be able to put yourself in the position of your reader so that you can identify where they would typically look for your book and under which category. Think about it like this. When you're walking through Barnes & Nobles or Half Price Books or some other bookstore, local bookstore in your area, when you're looking for a book, you see the different categories above the books, or you may ask the person to direct you in that direction of where a nonfiction self-help book may be located. That's the same way it works on Amazon. They need to be able to categorize it so that people can instantly find the books that they're looking for. The second thing that you really want to maximize and pay attention to is the keywords. You get up to 7 keywords currently on Kindle Direct Publishing to choose from. This is going to be so important. And much like I mentioned earlier, you're going to need to put yourself in the mind of your ideal reader. What keywords would they be searching in order to find a book like yours? So maybe, for example, you're writing a book on how to do yoga on a busy schedule. And so your keyword may be how to do yoga on a busy schedule, or your keywords may be how to fit exercise into a busy schedule, or something along those lines. You want to be really intentional about triggering different words and phrases that your ideal reader would typically type in, so that when they're typing that in, your book is one of the first ones to auto-populate and let them know that this is why they should be enticed and intrigued and excited to go forward and purchase your book. Using these 2 strategies when using Kindle Direct Publishing and self-publishing is going to put you in a position to ensure that you're not launching to crickets. So not only will people hear about your book through your social media promotion, through word of mouth, that sort of thing, they'll also be able to find it if they're particularly or specifically looking for a book in your genre. If you're looking for more strategies, more tools, and more supports on the writing and self-publishing journey, then we need to talk. I'm offering a totally free training, and it's coming up, and you get an opportunity to join me to learn how to write, publish, and prosper off of your book in only 30 days. Use the link below to join us, and I cannot wait to see you there.